This is lesson 3-3. We're going to learn the long I with the silent E. The long I, silent E. The E could jump over one letter and make the I say I. Like in the word kite. K, I, t, kite. Notice the E could jump over the I and make it long. Now you say it. Don't forget that when you touch and say on these words, you're going to do k, and then you're going to touch the I and the E and say I, and then the T, t. All right, so I can't really do it with these words this small. You guys are going to have to use those cards, right? So we just did kite. Here's the word bite. Notice the silent E jumps over the T and makes the I long. B, I, t, bite. You say the word. This is the word bike. Notice the silent E jumps over the one consonant K and makes the I long. I. Now you say it. This is the word like. Notice the silent E can jump over one K and make the I long. Now you say it. All right, go ahead and build all these words and tap and say the sounds and then write them. You're going to do the first line and then the second line, clear and erase. Clear your letters and erase at the end of the first line. When you are done doing those words, I want you to turn the video back on. Pause it for right now and then turn it back on so I can teach you the D and the S. Okay, so we're going to look at these word endings of D and S on the end of the words. This is the word like because the E jumps over the K and makes the A long, but we can add an S to that. Likes. The E still jumps over the K and makes the I long, and after we say like, then we make the S sound, likes. This is the word liked. I want you to notice that the D makes the T sound. D on the end of a word can make a T sound. That's right. So we have ul, and then we have the I and the E together making I, and then we have the K sound, k, and then the D actually goes t. It's a T sound. Liked. Biked works the same way. I and E makes, say this word for me. Now, I and E work together to say I, and the D says the T sound, biked. Now you say it. Okay, and then notice that on some of the words, when it has an S on the end, it actually says the Z sound, because S can say the Z sound. This is T, I, M, Z, times. We don't say times, times. It's times. It's making a Z sound right there. Now you say it. All right, tutors, you're going to have them build all of these words here and touch and say the sounds and then write the words. Have them read this to you.